Mr. Cuervo Racing back at it again. We're going to do an unboxing today, show you what you get with a adapter style intake from Monster. So we got a few things here. First out of the box is going to be your bell adapter. This mounts inside the factory airbox. So it's got a nice big taper, big opening to help airflow. You got a outerwears. That's the part number in case you need to reorder one. And then we got a couple bolts and washers for this to bolt it to the airbox. And then instruction sheet. These intakes are right about 150 bucks. We do stock them and sell them for your Raptor 700 all years. So it's one of the nicest adapter style intakes for the 700. This is the one I prefer to use. And let's see, there's your part number on your filter. Let me get this open. Let's see. Butcher this box real quick and see what we got. Obviously I know what this thing looks like, but maybe you don't. So you got a K&N style filter. Gets oiled like any of the other K&N filter service stuff. And it is kind of a oval filter at the end. Round on that side. And that fits pretty snug inside the factory airbox. You can't fit much bigger at all in there. So having clearance for that filter with the outerwears on there keeps the heavy debris off. And that's what you got. So we're going to do a test here versus the stock filter and see what kind of gains are on a stock bike with a simple $150 upgrade. So I will be back with a video shortly on that comparison. So if this interests you, give me a shout. Number is in the description, or I'll update it here shortly, and we can get all these parts for you. So that's what we got for now.